Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic night vision effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to create the realistic night vision effect for this video. First thing first, you need to click on your video and then you're going to go to the adjustment right here, and in this adjustment go to the curves and you're going to scroll down until you find the green color, and you're going to adjust the curves like this. You just need to follow the curve I have created. Okay, and go to the white and then reduce it a little bit. Okay, and after that I'm going to apply noise effect to this video. You can go to the effect and then select the search for the noise effect. Okay, just wait for a moment and you can choose the noise effect, this one, apply it to your video and you can set it to 20. Wait, okay, oops, you can just type in 20 actually. Okay, and then I'm going to apply second effect. We can apply the TP line effect. Okay, select this one, apply it to your video and you're going to set the twist to 0, right? And this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create realistic night vision effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.